to Liliana's Fun Club. Today we're going to be making a peekaboo cloth pins craft. The materials you'll be needing is, if you want to trace it out perfectly, you'll need a little something to trace with, and then some different colored papers and Easter color, and you'll need a black marker and an orange one for the beak and for the eyes and eyebrows. And you'll need some cloth pins, I think. And yeah, let's get started with the craft. Okay, so I traced out all of the colors, but I think two or one of them are not Easter colors, but they are fun colors. Like this red one, it has some little circles, I don't know, like a little spiral. So now I'm gonna cut, so let's start cutting. So now we're gonna draw cracks in them and cut them out. Like this example I did. See that little crack? We are gonna draw them on each and every one, and we're gonna cut them. So let's start. Okay guys, if you're wondering why I'm in a different place, over there it was so sunny, my head was burning, I was like overheated like a phone or a computer. So we just had to move it somewhere else here, and now I feel so cool, and now it's really right here. So I'm gonna do the rest of the craft here. So yeah, and here's our next job to do for our craft. So I already cut out these little guys. You should have two. And now our job is to do this little chickie popping out. Here's an example, if you can see. So remember, you need black for the eyes and eyebrows, and orange here for the little beak. So I'm gonna do one with you guys, and I'm pretty sure you can go off on your own. And remember, you don't have to do as much as I do, because maybe you just wanted to try out this one and you just want to do one and see how it turns out. And if you like it, you can do more. So let's start doing one of the chickies together. To make chickies, you'll need a pencil to make the head, so let's start that. You'll need a kind of big head like this. Okay, you see, kind of like that. Or you can make a big one like this one, right here. Or you can make tiny ones, that's not. So, here's mine. Okay, so let me cut this out. Do square parts. So we will need to cut it out. So now you get your black marker out, and we will make the eyes and eyebrows. So make 2 dots, and then 2 little curves above the eyes, and then, oopsie, get to your orange marker and make a upside down triangle. here's how it would turn out. And so you basically get a little chicky, put him right there, glue him basically, put him, and it will be looking like this. So pause the video if you do more, if you're gonna do more. So this is your time to do it with me. So I'll see you guys after we do the chickies. Okay, so we have got the little chickies ready. I'm so happy how they look. I mean, how they turned out. If you can see them right now, I don't know if you can. Oh, they look too cute. Okay. Then the next step is you get the little chicky guy. I got this little cute one. You put some glue. Just like that, and put it in the front, not in the back. In the front where the face is. Then put it like that on the back. See? On the back. So it will look like that. Okay. It's cutting the face. Yeah. It's cutting the mouth a little bit, but I think it's better now. Then, see that little part right here where all the bumps are? You put the glue on that. So, just like this. Getting rest of the glue. Now, oops, okay. Now you put it like right here on the bottom. Good. Now you get the top. Put it the same. Do the same thing. Put on the crackly parts. Now you make it like a puzzle piece. Put it so it connects. See? Oh, newborn sticky. Now, just when you open it, just keep opening it and then make sure all the little glue is gone. See, all that glue keeps coming out. So then make sure it's all gone when you make it. All that. See? Now it is a cute little guy. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? And I actually have some more over here. Ow. With that little cutie. With this little cutie. And this little cutie. This little cutie. Oh, God. His head got stuck. No, it got squished. Okay. Oopsie. This little kitty. This little kitty. And the last one that we just did right here. So I have got 4 more to do. You must be done. So this will be the end of the video. I hope you liked our craft. It is so fun, and I loved how it turned out. It is so cute. Look at that. I just love it. And I love the other faces I did here. I am not gonna do this in the video, but I'm gonna do it after it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. That will notify you when I make another video. And I have got a goal to do it I'm gonna try to make one every day. But I don't know how that's gonna work, but let's see. Anyway, bye! Comment down below what other videos we should do. Bye!